Hello everyone. Today I've got two off-road cars. One from Johnny Lightning and the other from Outer World. And we're going to start with the one from Johnny Lightning. FJ Cruiser. Really nice car. You don't see them a lot here in Europe. And the reason I bought it is because it's because it's a weathered version, and I believe it has an opening part. And this one also has side mirrors, one out of 4800. So it's a limited edition. Is it also? Yes, it's also a Mijo exclusive. Let's have a look at the back. We have a nice picture of the car. I like that. And we can see Johnny Lightning is also active on social media. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Now, let's open the package. I'm do it like this with a scissor. I know you can use a knife and then cut open the back. This is much faster. And the result is the same because we want the car out of the package. I like that it comes with a box. For me, it was already perfect if it was only in this box with a picture of the car on it. That way we save a lot of plastic and that is better for the environment. Oh, pretty large model. And that's because it's a metal body and a metal base. We got the Yokohama tires. Nice rims, also muddy. And here we got the metal base. There is a date on it, 10 and 19, 2022 A1. Yeah, pretty cool base with some details. No normal screws. And we got a spare tire in the back. Also made out of rubber, painted rear lights. Windscreen wiper, also painted. Very good rolling wheels as well in the back as in the front. No side windows here. But yeah, just like I mentioned, we do have the side mirrors. Johnny Lightning not always has side mirrors. I think a car with a side mirror is not realistic. Okay, let's have a look inside. The interior looks good to me. Yeah. Good details. And also good seats. We even have some mud on top. I think the weathering is done pretty well. 3 windscreen wipers. Then I believe we have an opening part right here. There we go. With the Toyota logo on the engine block. Good details, no color details. Did I mention the painted front lights? Yeah, pretty cool car. Let's place it on the diorama, also from Johnny Lightning, by the way. Then, no, not Johnny Lightning. I constantly saying that. This is from American Diorama. Did a review about it. You can look it up on my YouTube channel. Then we got the one from Outer World. Diecast metal body and chassis, rubber tires, opening hood. So, oh, this one also got an opening part. I always think that Johnny Lightning, Outer World, Greenlight are underneath one roof and that they all come from the same factory. 1 out of 3600 special edition, so this one is a little bit more limited than the one from Johnny Lightning. And yes, they're also active on social media. barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. And it's also a Meet Joe exclusive. True 164, that is what we like. Reason I bought this one, I like off-road cars. You can also see it's the same package they use. So it wouldn't surprise me if they come from the same factory. And that's okay. That's fine by me. Yep. That's good. So you see this one also comes with a similar, let's put it right here, similar box, same size. Yeah, definitely from the same factory. Or is this one a little bit small? No, same size, true 164. Yep. And we got the car right here. Unfortunately, not weathered, but I do like the accessories on top. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's start with the front. So we don't have lens headlights. We have painted lights. Got a nice bumper. Bumper also feels metal. Also Yokohama tires with red rims. And you can see here, so here in the back we got holes and here we don't have holes. So I think this is a defect. Yeah, something went wrong. A little bit too much paint. Yeah, that's what I read a lot lately. That the quality control from Greenlight, Johnny Lightning, Outer World is not that good anymore. Switch to another camera mode. Here we got the base, nice metal black base with some details. Here we see a date 04/13/2022. This was 10/19. Okay. Oh, we even have a shovel here on the side. Well colored. And we have side mirrors. I think that's important. Makes the car realistic. Then we're going to take a look under the hood. The opening part. Yeah, it looks okay. But nowadays, if you look at the models from Time Micro and Pop Race, you see that the technique is getting better. So I think Otherworld needs to step up the game a little bit more quality control maybe. Still very good models. And they fit very well in the diorama. We have some figures. These are also from American diorama. Same brand as the diorama here, the off-road diorama. Very simple diorama, but really well done. I like it a lot. Yeah. Guy with a shovel. Put it right here. Oh, yeah. Trust me, when you make photos with diecast figures, it takes a lot of time to position the figures in the right position. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, click, and have a very nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.